Kate Ferdinand has opened up about struggling with postnatal depression and worrying that she wouldn't love her first baby. The mother of one, who welcomed baby son Pri with footballer hubby Rio Ferdinand last December, opened up to former celeb mom Rochelle Humes. Speaking on the My Little Coco podcast, Kate, 30, that she felt really strange ahead of her son's birth as she worried she wouldn't love him. While the former The Only Way is Essex star admitted she did fall instantly in love, she still went on to struggle with postnatal depression. "When I was in labor I said to the doctor, I don't think I'm going to love him," she opened up in the tell-all chat with a Saturday signer Rochelle, 32. "Everyone was saying, 'Are you excited to have a baby?' I was like, 'No, is that weird?' I felt I was really strange. But the minute he was with me I did fall instantly in love, but I was still in shock." She went on to detail how the traumatic birth left her with really bad bruising that meant she couldn't move, and suffered with guilt. "I couldn't move, I had really bad bruising and I suffered with quite a lot of guilt," she said. "I felt terrible that I couldn't get up and change the baby and that Rio was doing a lot. I think I might have had a bit of postnatal depression." Elsewhere in the podcast, Kate discussed how 11-month-old Pri choked on a sweet wrapper in a scary first-time mom experience. "He choked for the first time the other day, and that was really scary. I haven't experienced anything like that before," she opened up. "Someone left a bit of a sweet wrapper and he found it on the floor and put it in his mouth, and he was choking. It was so scary." Kate's first child, Pri, was born in December, and she previously admitted to struggling to adapt to her post-baby body. She told The Sun, "There are so many things about motherhood that no one tells you. I'd had the baby and I was in this whirlwind of emotion. My body was not the body I recognized. I felt really overwhelmed. I was feeling really abnormal and I started panicking. Am I meant to be feeling like this?" At the weekend, Kate paid a heartfelt tribute to Rio as the Manchester United legend celebrated turning 43. She shared a series of sweet snaps alongside her beau, whom she called her protector. The duo looked more loved up than ever as they shared an intimate embrace on the dance floor while partying the night away. Kate was typically glamorous in a green blazer and fitted skirt which she teamed with a matching bralette. "Happy birthday to my best friend, husband, protector, teacher and huge annoyance at times," the reality star wrote. She added, "You are my everything. Thank you for being you. I love you endlessly." The TV beauty welcomed son Pri into the world on December 18. Rio is also a dad to Lawrence, 14, Tate, 13, and 9-year-old Dia, from his previous marriage to Rebecca Ellison, who passed away in 2015, aged 34.